The ABB PC6000 is a medium voltage full power converter specifically designed for large-scale wind turbines and tidal energy applications, providing a reliable and efficient solution for converting variable frequency power generated by wind turbines into grid-compatible electricity. Bosses, ABB's PC6000 has arrived. Let me show you one quality. Brand new and original. This is the high voltage circuit breaker part. This is part of the LGCT here. It's brand new. 5SH4045L0006. They're all brand new and original. This is the second cabinet. Take a look at this third cabinet. Do you see it? This is also from LGCT. This 5SH4045L0006. All are complete, not a few. The above is from our power distribution section. It's all complete. Take a look at this. That last high pressure part. Do you see it? These copper bars. These copper bars. No trace at all. No trace at all. They're all original. I wish the bosses who buy it will make a fortune. Okay. Lock it up.